Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing my 15th birthday. Get ready with me. Today is my birthday. I am going to be 15. Sorry, I was playing music. But I'm 15 today. You can tell that I'm tired. I have been up since 3 a.m. because I woke up, went to the restroom, and then I had to pee, so I got up and went pee, and I got a bottle of water because I was thirsty, and I haven't been able to sleep since, so I look very dead. My eyes are very squinty right now. I'm actually exhausted. I couldn't tell you the last time I was up this early. I'm so tired. I made myself a cup of coffee. It's now almost 6 o'clock, so I've been up for a long time. I'm gonna drink my coffee and do my makeup. I'm gonna try and talk to you guys about some stuff. I don't really know what to talk about, but yeah. That is so good. Okay, let's get to my makeup. I am going to be playing music quietly. I don't think I'll get copyrighted because I always put music over my videos and this isn't very loud, but yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna do wings on my eyes and then some natural lashes. Hopefully I can do good wings today because I don't want to have to redo them 50 times, but we're just gonna see what we can do. I'm not gonna talk at all during my eye part, so I will be back for fitting. I'm gonna prime now, so I'm using my No Pore Blend primer for my pores because no one wants pores on their birthday. You gotta look good, even though I'm probably not gonna look that great because it's me. But I want to know how old y'all are, so comment down below your age because a lot of people think that I'm older than I am, and I mean with makeup I guess I could understand why. But a lot of people think I'm already 16 or 17 and I'm just now being 15. So I want to know how old you guys are so I can know how old my audience is. So comment that down below. Last night I put on my spam account on Instagram what my perfect birthday would be. And I don't know. Honestly, I want to tell you guys too. So my perfect birthday would be waking up not this tired, and it would be snowing outside, and I would have Christmas lights around me, and then I'd be getting ready, and my boyfriend would come over, surprise me, and he'd bring me a cup of coffee and some flowers. I think that would be super sweet and cute, and I love flowers so much. I want someone to give me flowers. So babe, if you're watching, please give me flowers. Thank you. I love you. But then I would have a really good breakfast, and I'd go to school, and everyone would be nice, and no one would be mean, which is a long stretch, but and then I would have an actually good meal for lunch. It wouldn't be disgusting. And then I would go home, and my mom would be here to surprise me with her and my dog. She doesn't live around me, so she lives in Ohio, but she doesn't live close to me. And then I'd have my favorite dinner and my favorite dessert because I don't like cake, so it'd be something else. And then I would open a present or something, and then all of my internet besties would come over. We'd have a sleepover. So that'd pretty much be my perfect birthday. I'm going to apply some foundation. I never apply foundation, so this is kind of weird, but I'm going to use my L'Oreal Pro Glow and my e.l.f. Flawless Finish. Never use these two together, so hopefully it's a good combo. So I have my foundation on. my little brother came in and he was like, happy birthday, and he looked so tired and it was so cute. I'm just like, oh, my heart. So Christmas is coming up and I'm super excited to get people gifts, and I'm hopefully getting a part-time job the first week of December. Like, I'm in the process of writing my application, and I'm hoping I work like Sundays and Wednesdays, so like only twice a week, because I mean I am 15, like it's a part-time job. But it's gonna be at this, hopefully, at a local pizza place, and I don't know, I just need like extra money on the side, especially if I want to go to Texas this summer. My mom said I could go, but I don't know if my dad is gonna be super thrilled and if Tiffany's dad is gonna let me go. Hopefully, we're gonna like have everything figured out by like March. So I want to start working now because plane tickets are kind of expensive, plus like I need money for when I'm in Texas. But I really hope I get to go. I fucking love her so much. She's my best friend. Her and Callie are my best friends. And then like I have a few friends from school who I've been getting closer with, and Alenia, and obviously my boyfriend. I love all of them so much. I'm so grateful for them. Like, I just love my friends, and I can't wait to meet Tiff. Like, I freaking love her so much. You guys don't even understand. So what is your guys' favorite holiday? Mine is obviously Christmas, but like for seasons I love fall a lot because the fashion is just like to die for. But literally it snowed all of Saturday, and me and my boyfriend and my sister put up my Christmas tree, like the big Christmas tree in the living room, and it was a dandy time. And then afterwards my boyfriend took me thrifting and to this other like small store around my house that's like got other cheap things, like they're like on sale more, like they're not like thrift store cheap, but like they're like Champion hoodies and stuff that are like super discounted. And so I got a green Champion hoodie that I've literally been wanting it for so long, and it's not exactly like the one I wanted, but it's still super cute. When thrifting I got this sweater, it's like a cardigan kind of, like you could button it up, and my sister, like I don't know, like sitting down like this thing kind of makes me look like a grandma, but like standing up it's kind of cute. But I had either a gray t-shirt I was gonna wear or the one that I'm wearing right now, and my sister just told me to wear this one, so hopefully it looks good. But yeah, I had a pretty good weekend because Friday night I had my birthday party. Like, it wasn't a party really, it was just like some family came over for dinner. And then Saturday I went to the stores and like my boyfriend and I hung out and all that. And then yesterday I wasn't planning on doing anything but edit and upload, and Callie, my best friend, ended up texting me and asked me if I wanted to go over. So I went to her house for like 6 hours, and we just hung out and like talked about makeup, and she packed for Thanksgiving break because she's going to see her sister, aka my other cousin. So yeah, it was a pretty good weekend. And oh my god, I'm so excited to see Wreck-It Ralph 2. Wreck-It Ralph is my favorite movie of all time, and I love that movie so much. I'm going super glowy today, so I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit and my Lancome highlighter and this stuff is so good. I know I've recommended it to you guys before, but it's seriously so good. It's like exactly like the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter formula, but like obviously it's more expensive, but I love this highlighter. Okay, so this is my makeup. I think I'm going to vlog a tiny bit today, like maybe in like at lunch in 8th period or something. I don't really know. If I don't, this is the end of the video. So I love you, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me happy birthday. And let me know when your guys' birthdays are and how old you are. But if this isn't the end of the video, then this isn't the end of the video. Yeah, I think I look cute. I'm happy. I have to pee super bad, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, I love y'all, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys in a little while. So I got home about an hour ago. Don't mind my eyelashes, they're kind of coming off on the inner corners, but it's been a long freaking day. My birthday so far has actually been pretty good. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix my lash. My day's been pretty good. I have amazing friends who got me a little gift, and I was not expecting it at all. I was super happy when I opened it. And then House of Sparkles UK sent me something in the mail, so I'm gonna open that soon. I'm going to film what I got for my birthday, I think on Wednesday, so 2 days from now. But I just want to show you one of the things that my friends got me. It was like super sweet. They like put a bunch of candy and stuff in my locker. But give me 1 second and I will show you something they got me, and it was so sweet. So my friends got me this balloon, and it's like super big and cute. And you can see all my other cards behind it. And then they got me a bunch of candy too. And I just like freaking love my friends so much. So thank you, babies. But yeah, that's what my friends got me. I'll obviously show like everything in my birthday haul. I guess I will do it just because, like, I don't know. I want to show off the things that my like friends and stuff got me. Plus my dad is supposed to give me a gift today, I think. I'm not really 100% sure. He keeps saying like, you haven't gotten it yet, you haven't gotten it yet. I'm like, obviously I haven't gotten it yet, like you haven't given me anything. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I just got done taking some pictures for my Instagram, and I'm probably gonna take off my makeup because I've had it on for a really long time. Even though it looks bomb, I kind of just want to take it off and take a nap. So I'm gonna do that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to vlog a lot, but I just didn't really have time. All of my classes, we were like doing stuff, but like we didn't get like a bunch of homework or anything. But I have 3 quizzes tomorrow, so I have to study for that later tonight. But my sister and I are just gonna go to Starbucks later because I have a free birthday gift for Starbucks. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Let me know your birthdays down below, and I will see you babies next time. Also, I hope you're having a good Thanksgiving break. Bye, babies.